morning, welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is a bonus video. Today is my girls' very first dance competition. You've seen them do clogging competitions, but they've never actually competed in contemporary or jazz before, and today is their very first day for solos. So let's check out their hairstyles that we worked on this morning. So Virginia already has her makeup done because she is doing her solo first, and Eloise will do hers at the venue, but her hair is done, so rotate slowly so we can see your pretty hair.
Me too?
Yeah, both of you. Are you excited? Nervous? Ready? Whoo! Awesome, let's go. All right, my awesome son made me breakfast while we are putting on makeup and getting ready to head out to our dance competition. 2 eggs, about 40 grams of center cut bacon, an ounce of cheddar cheese, and 227 grams of Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio. And that's gonna be my first meal of the day. Your somersault thing, plank thing. Nice.
Sammy, over to you.
How'd you do? I'm videoing you now. Tell me how you liked it. Did you like competing? Was it fun? You want to do it again?
No.
No. It was fun, but you never want to do it again?
Yeah, I do want to do it again, but I just don't want to.
But tomorrow you get to do your group.
Yep.
Awesome. You look beautiful.
Here.
3, Eloise, high.
Feeling
Okay, so what did you think of being in a dance competition for the first time?
Amazing.
Amazing? You think you want to do it again?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Is it your new thing?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. I don't usually snack, but I'm at a dance competition and need something, so I'm gonna have a little bit of carbs. And these are the carbs I'm gonna have. Like 6 ounces. Don't believe it. She's gonna get in trouble. She should not be up there. Well, that was quite the experience. Oh my goodness. Whew. Clogging competitions did not prepare me for the emotions of the day that I faced today. I don't think I've ever been more nervous, more excited, more happy, and more disappointed in my life. The girls did okay. They both got last place in their divisions, but they got a trophy. My little girl, the older one, competed in novice category, earned a silver, which is better than earning a bronze, and she was second attendant, which turned out, because there were only 3 in her category, that was last place basically. And my little 7-year-old, who we thought totally killed it, still only, she got a gold, which was awesome for her first competition. That's amazing. She got a gold ranking, but she only got 4th attendant, which basically meant 5th place, and there were only 5 girls, so that meant last. So that's kind of disappointing. Tomorrow is group competitions. Hopefully it won't be quite as stressful, though we do have to get up really early to get ready. But hey, I must say, I'm not the best dance mom, I'm not the most experienced dance mom, but my girl's hair was freaking on point today. And I did their hair and makeup, and they looked spectacular. So hey, you gotta give me props for that, right? Well, keto did not go that great for me. I actually only got 2 doses of Soleil water today, which is only 4,000 milligrams, and I am dying. I can feel the headache. I feel this weird feeling in my chest. I just know that I need to get some more sodium, so I'm gonna try and get in 1 more dose before I hit the sack tonight, but yeah, probably gonna swell up giant balloon tomorrow because I neglected my sodium today, which I usually don't do, so that's disappointing. And the cat ate part of my breakfast this morning. I didn't film that because I was too upset, but the cat got in my car and I had to eat in the car, and he ate one of my eggs this morning, so I was short a little on protein. And then you saw my dinner, it was low also on protein, so I think I'm just kind of feeling crappy because I didn't get enough food to eat, but I don't really want to eat now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna go home and go to sleep. Tomorrow's a new day, but we have to leave so early. I don't know what I am going to eat tomorrow at all. Luckily, my husband's home, so maybe he can put together some boiled eggs and cheese and things for me to take before I leave. But I'm too like out of it from lack of sodium to even be able to deal with it. And I really like would love to cry, but I'm afraid to because I don't want to lose my sodium. So there you go. And that's all I have for you today, but we'll see you tomorrow for the group competition. Thanks, you guys. Good night. It's the morning of day 2. We are ready to head out for team today. As you can see, they have different hair and different makeup. Turn around and show us your beautiful hair. So fun. So gorgeous. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You guys had a lot of fun yesterday and you ready to kill it with teams?
Yeah.
Why do you not look at me? All right, get in the car, let's go. Okay, we're heading out now, and this is going to be my glorious breakfast. 2 bags of peanuts and some hard salami wrapped mozzarella cheese. It's probably going to be over my fat, but I figure that can only be a good thing today when I really need to not be hungry. And I just really hope it's enough food because it doesn't look like it's going to be to me. But I can at least eat it in the car on the way there, so that's the way it's going to be.
From Live Dance Studio with Dream. With Starlight.
Show my fish. Oh, no, you didn't see the rice. There's no rice, and I'm not eating it. I promise. It's just fish. So tonight, I am dyeing a backdrop. I have this really not pretty Chinese backdrop that has too much white on it. So I am just trying to mellow out the white a little bit and add some more gray to it so that it can be a little bit more neutral, and I will have less photoshopping to do because this week I have 3 days of dance portraits and they want a gray backdrop, and so that is what I am cooking up right now. Crazy. Alrighty, here's gonna be my last meal of the day. I have 8 chicken wings and some spinach and 2 tablespoons of yogurt blue cheese dressing. And that's gonna be my last meal of the day. All right, well, that was it for my first dance competition. Not 100% sure I'm really cut out to be a dance mom, but the girls loved it, so I guess I don't really have a choice. It's almost midnight, and as you can hear, things are still screaming around here. But you know, that's the story of my life. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.